Another week, another day, another hour since you went away, and so cliche, you didn't say goodbye.
Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again and again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a DIY for Valentine's Day. Last year, I did, I think, 3 DIYs, okay? So to this year, I'm not sure how many DIYs I'm gonna do. It depends on my mood maybe, or depends on the request. Okay, so in today's DIY, I'm gonna make either the DIY box of chocolates or the old vase that I have. Okay, I'm still debating if I'm gonna use the box or the vase. Might be this one. Okay, I already tried this foam. I think they use this for the flower. Remember, if you do the flower arrangement and then soak this in the water and then put the flower in here. So this is what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm gonna use this one instead kasi it's maliit lang siya, yung isang ganto ko lang. So, para hindi magastos sa chocolate. Okay, so let's go and let's begin. Okay, so what we're gonna use today. So, I'm gonna use this one and this foam. And also, I'm gonna use this wrapping paper so it doesn't show the foam. And also, I have yung mga chocolates from Christmas na binigay sa akin, and some of them I bought it in a Dollarama. All my stuff that I'm gonna use today is from last year. And let's go! I hope you learned something today. I'm so excited to share with you my DIY. Okay? Let's go! So, I'm gonna use Snickers, Kit Kat, O. Henry, Twix, the Starburst, and Reese Ferrero Rocher, and my favorite lollipops, and my favorite one, turtles. So let's do wrapping this vase first. So guys, here's my vase now. So ganyan lang po yung pagkakagawa ko. Gusto ko sana pink na ang color, pink and white. But the problem is, I don't have any pink color in here. So what I have is the red one and the white one. So kung ano lang yung meron ako, yun lang yung gagamitin ko. Para makakatipid tayo. And then, ito, I'm gonna put it in the middle. Okay, and then take underneath and so ganito na po yun siya, nasa loob na yung foam. Ayan. So, binalot ko lang siya ng dalawang papel. And then, I'm gonna put it inside now. So, let's put this. Ito na po yung kakalabasan niya. Ganito. So, I'm gonna put this on the side for a moment.
Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her.
So these are all the chocolates. There's Reese, Twix, Kit Kat, O. Henry, Snickers. I wanna use the small one para maliliit lang yung, kasi maliit lang yung aking vase. So maliit lang din yung gagamitin ko. So, what you can do is use your glue stick and put it in here. And then, put the stick in here. Be careful, guys, because this is hot. Okay. If you don't have a glue gun stick, you can use the tape. Make sure they stick together. So we have one in here.
Blue is the color of when you were leaving. Tell me, let me know what you feel inside. 'Cause you don't know me by name. You don't know me by name. It's like you don't know me by name anymore. Some people say that the path you are choosing only leads to where you wanna go. Some people say you forgive and forget, but tell me, let me know what you feel inside. 'Cause you don't know me by name. You don't know me by name. It's like you don't know me by name anymore. Anymore. And blue is the color of when you were leaving.
All the chocolates na naikabit ko na siya. So, let's begin for our designs. So, I'm gonna put this at the back. And syempre, yung ating Ferrero. It's better, guys, kung halimbawa dalawa-dalawa siya. So, parating in between, yung magka-side ba siya para magandang tingnan, para pattern. Yan. Ayan na siya, guys. And then, I want to put lollipops. Okay? Ayan, guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng lollipops. Yan. And last one, if you have the heart shape, you can put it as well. Okay? Para mas maganda, mas bongga. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. And please comment down below if you have any suggestion or any comments. And I'm gonna be happy to answer all your questions or any concerns. Okay, so this is my vase gift for Valentine's Day. Okay, so stay safe, God bless, and I love you. Always remember, nothing is permanent in life, so always do good, be good, and stay good, because there's no promise for tomorrow. Okay, bye. Mwah.